Have you ever wondered why some companies rise to success while others fail? The answer lies in their marketing strategies. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on efforts that separate the brands we remember from those we don't. Most people believe marketing is impossible to understand. We're here to show you otherwise. Join us for an incredible journey as we dive into Seth Godin's book, This is Marketing. Watch until the end as we reveal the secrets to make your brand a success and outshine your competitors. Why should we care about what Seth has to say? Seth Godin was inducted into both the marketing and direct marketing halls of fame. He gained international recognition for his work. Seth believes that marketing is the generous act of helping someone solve a problem. He breaks down the marketing process into 5 simple steps. The first step is to start with a remarkable idea. This involves identifying an idea or concept that stands out and appeals to the target audience. The second step is creating a movement. This involves cultivating an environment where people can come together and share their enthusiasm for the item you're promoting. Thirdly, build an audience. This requires actively engaging potential customers online through social media, email campaigns, and advertising. This will help build relationships with them. As a result, they will become loyal followers of your brand. The fourth step is to sustain engagement by consistently providing value to your audience. This can be done by introducing new content and rewards programs so that they remain interested in what you have to offer. The fifth step is to lead bravely by setting a strong example of leadership within the industry and inspiring others in the process. Did you know that 86% of buyers are willing to pay more for a great customer experience? In his book, Godin stresses on the importance of understanding your customer. Understanding your customer is essential for successful marketing. If you do this exceptionally, you will reap the rewards. To understand your customer, you need to be aware of their motivations, values, preferences, and behavior patterns. You can learn about your customer by conducting interviews or surveys. Additionally, you can gather feedback from online forums and your website. Evaluating the data will give you a comprehensive understanding of your customer's experience with your brand. Knowing what works and what doesn't allows you to tailor future experiences accordingly. Put yourself in the shoes of your customer and try using your product as if you were them. This will allow you to spot any issues with usability or design. Correcting discovered flaws will facilitate maximum value to your customers. One company that understands its customers is Apple. They created an ecosystem that meets the wants and needs of their customers. From beautifully designed products to offering a range of custom services like Apple Music and iCloud, Apple is light years ahead of the competition. Before we continue, are you looking for the best way to quickly get the most important information from some of the greatest books in the world? Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer book reviews in under 10 minutes so that people can gain all of the vital knowledge without having to spend time and effort reading. Godin also places great emphasis on creating connections and building trust. Establishing a connection with customers is essential in any form of marketing. Stop trying to win customers over on price or convenience. Instead, focus on creating something special for them. Stop treating customers as a source of revenue. Instead, develop a connection which will create loyalty. One effective way to build this connection is through personalization. This involves crafting messages and services to the individual customer. As a result, they would feel understood and appreciated. Companies such as Amazon have utilized this strategy successfully. Amazon's approach to personalization begins with their website design. It offers personalized recommendations based on past purchases, browsing behavior, and search terms. With this, Amazon demonstrates their interest in the customers. This encourages repeat visits to their website. Additionally, Amazon sends out personalized emails to remind customers of items they've viewed or purchased in the past. They also email customers to suggest new items based on their preferences. This tactic further shows how much they value the customer experience. Amazon takes the time to individually cater products and services according to each customer's tastes. Companies spend a lot of money on marketing, but not all strategies are successful. In order to have a successful marketing strategy, you need to start with a remarkable idea and then build an audience by creating connections and trust. You can understand your customers better through interviews or surveys. Evaluating customer data will also prove useful. Once you have a solid understanding of your target market, you can begin to tailor experiences accordingly. If you want to learn more about starting or improving your business, be sure to check out our previous video, Can I Go From Good to Great? Business Secrets Revealed. Thank you for watching. Let's all make the world a better place together.